Hey there everybody, this is your Squid with Squid's Mobile Repair. If you ever have a misfire in your vehicle, let's go through a couple of steps to help you out figure it out. So when you have a misfire in your vehicle, let's say it's cylinder number 1. First things you're going to want to do is check your plugs. Pop the plug off, pull the plug out, spark plug, and check both of those to make sure there's no arcing. Next thing you want to do, if you have a spark test light, you check to see if you have a spark going. If you have a compression tester, check to see if you have a compression test. If all that looks good, swap your wires over and your plugs over, and then try it. If it swaps over, that means that the spark plug wire and your spark plug have gone bad. If it's not, I did not swap over, then you can know it's that cylinder or the coming from the ignition coil or something else. Many things can cause a misfire, but always start from the beginning. Always check your plugs and check your wires first and go from there. Like I always say, start at the beginning, not in the middle, not in the end. You may save yourself some time. Just some advice from your Squid.